Hi everyone, I have this DIY denture kit and it comes with upper teeth, also lower teeth, also it comes with a manual and comes with the wax strips, those wax strips. So we are going to create one for my mom right now with you. So we grab this wax strip and we place it in a warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. So here is the warm water and I'm going to soak it in here, as you can see, 10 to 15 seconds. So now that it is soft, we are going to mold it around it and then make sure we are molding it until we get the shape that we want around the teeth. So just keep molding. This is how I've been shaping it, look at it. And I'm going to have my mom kind of try it to see how it fits, but this is the upper dentures. Wait for it to harden after you make the exact shape that you want. Make sure you put up so that the gum covers it as well, the wax covers the gum. But this is the final look. It's amazing. You can open it, you can widen it, close it, so it's perfect. Look at this, it's beautiful. And then you can push out the wax from here. Look at the colors are really cool, really cool. And you can do the same thing for the lower teeth here. Which is amazing.